Meghna, viewers, on November 14, the Supreme Court said that forced conversion is a serious issue which affects security of the nation. The Supreme Court said it affects freedom of religion, conscience of citizens. The Supreme Court had also asked Centre to clear its stand. Well, today the Modi government declared its intent on this issue, responding to a petition seeking a central law to curb the menace of forced conversion. The Centre said, and allow me to quote now, the right to freedom of religion does not include a fundamental right to convert other people to a particular religion. The said right certainly does not include the right to convert an individual through fraud, deception, coercion, allurement, or such other means, unquote. Now, this, viewers, was Centre's response to a plea filed by Ashwini Upadhyay in which he cited a large number of instances of an organized, systematic and sophisticated manner of conversion of vulnerable citizens in the country through fraud, deception, coercion, allurement or other such means. Now, while the Modi government is backing tough laws against forced conversion, the opposition or the ecosystem, if you want to call them that, is in denial. In fact, there are many who have linked this to elections. Can you believe it? Listen to the reactions and then we open this up.
मैंने सुप्रीम कोर्ट में एक पीआईएल फाइल किया है और उसमें मैंने कहा है कि देश के सभी राज्यों में और सभी जिलों में धर्मांतरण हो रहा है। झूठ बोल के, लालच दे के, धोखे से, काला जादू दिखा के, अंधविश्वास फैला के, हॉस्पिटल में इलाज का लालच दे के, पैसा दे के, स्कूल में एडमिशन का लालच दे के, बीमारी ठीक करने की बात करके, इस तरीके की बात करके पूरे देश में धर्मांतरण हो रहा है। इसी धर्मांतरण के कारण हिंदू 9 राज्यों में पहले अल्पसंख्यक हो चुके हैं। आने वाले टाइम में और ज्यादा कन्वर्जन होगा। सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट ने कहा है कि हम इस जो कन्वर्जन है इसको बहुत सीरियसली देख रहे हैं, इस पे हम गंभीरता के साथ विचार कर रहे हैं, इस पे हम जरूरी कार्रवाई बहुत जल्दी करेंगे। तो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है कि आपकी जो आपका रिस्पांस है ये बहुत शॉर्ट में है, आप एक डिटेल रिप्लाई फाइल करिए, सारे राज्यों से बात करिए और सबसे बात करने के बाद आप एक डिटेल रिप्लाई फाइल करिए।
The Centre highlighted that states like Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Gujarat, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh have legislation in place on forced conversion. But the opposition that has always branded the forceful conversion as some kind of propaganda raised by the BJP and RSS has once again deflected and they are in denial. While the BJP says that the Centre's move is in right direction, the opposition says all this is to do with elections.
I welcome the central government stand on the anti-conversion law. It is a need of the hour that a strong anti-conversion law should be brought in the country, and the way the Hindu community has been targeted at large and they have been cheated and their lives have been in danger, had been put into danger because they have been forced to convert into other religions. A strong law will definitely help the Hindu community.
We are talking about the religious freedom bill, the freedom to choose his faith. But taking advantage of the helplessness of an individual, inducement and advantage of a person should not be allowed. So we are very clear about it. So we wanted to ensure that the conversion should not become a mode of, taking advantage, increasing the numbers, trying to create more and more problems. So probably in this direction we wanted to be very fair and free.
जो फोर्सफुल कन्वर्जन की बात बीजेपी आरएसएस करती है, कोई और तो भारत में करता नहीं है। तो अगर ये चाहते हैं कि फोर्सफुल जो कन्वर्जन का विषय है, अगर बीजेपी आरएसएस चाहती है इसको सॉल्व करना, तो उसको सबसे पहला काम ये करना चाहिए कि जो इंटरनेशनल इंडेक्स है भुखमरी का, मोदी जी की भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में इस देश में भुखमरी चरम पर है। जिस दिन भुखमरी मिट गई, जिस दिन समाज में लोगों को सामान्य जिंदगी, शिक्षा, स्वास्थ्य, रोजगार और रोजी रोटी का सवाल, ये सवाल हमने हल कर लिया।
धर्मांतरण के मामले पर माननीय सर्वोच्च न्यायालय में केंद्र सरकार का एफिडेविट दिया जाना है, ये स्पष्ट करता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी हर मुद्दे को धार्मिक चश्मे से देखती है, धार्मिक नज़रिए से देखती है। और जहां तक कन्वर्सेशन का मामला है, ये मामला बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा नहीं है। दरअसल इस मुद्दे को तूल देकर के भारतीय जनता पार्टी इसका राजनीतिक लाभ लेना चाहती है। सबसे बड़ा मुद्दा है इस देश में गरीबी का, इस देश में महंगाई का, इस देश में भ्रष्टाचार का। इस मुद्दे से ध्यान भटकाने के लिए इस तरह से धर्मांतरण और धर्म के आधार पर राजनीति को बढ़ावा देने के उद्देश्य को लेकर के भारतीय जनता पार्टी ऐसी राजनीति कर रही है।
भूखमरी खत्म कर दीजिए, ऑल दिस विल बी सॉल्व्ड. That's the contention of the opposition. Let me open this up. Ashwini Upadhyay, petitioner, joining us live. Dr. Anand Ranganathan also needs no introduction. Rahul Ishwar, activist. Lokesh Jindal, leader of the Congress party. Vivek Srivastava, political analyst. Ehtesham Hashmi is a lawyer. He completes the panel. Good evening, gentlemen. Dr. Ranganathan, I would have, wanted you to set it up, but allow me to bring in Mr. Ashwini Upadhyay. Ashwini Upadhyay, sir, petitioner आप हैं. You filed the petition. The Supreme Court took a view. Now the center has cleared its stand. But there are many who are saying this is BJP RSS propaganda.
देखिए, अगर आप ट्रैफिक रूल का वायलेशन नहीं करते हैं, आप रेड लाइट पे अच्छी तरीके गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, सड़क पे ठीक से गाड़ी चला रहे हैं, तो ट्रैफिक का जो कानून है वो कितना ही कठोर हो, क्या फर्क पड़ता है? यदि वास्तव में सब लोग इनलाइटेन होके अपनी मर्जी से, बिना डर, बिना भय, बिना लालच, बिना काला जादू, बिना अंधविश्वास, खुद गीता रामायण पढ़ने के बाद उनको लगता है कि कुरान और बाइबल ज्यादा अच्छा है, तो उनको राइट है, वो जा सकते हैं. बट कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डज नॉट प्रोटेक्ट राइट टू कन्वर्ट. Constitution gives us right to religion, not right to conversion. Gives us right to रीति, not कुरीति. gives a right to प्रथा, follow प्रथा, not कुप्रथा. हमने इसमें अपने पिटीशन में यही कहा है, पिछले 75 सालों के अंदर भारत के 9 राज्यों में हिंदू खत्म हो गए. लद्दाख में हिंदू केवल 1% बचे हुए हैं, मिजोरम में हिंदू केवल 2% बचे हुए हैं, लक्षद्वीप में हिंदू केवल 2% बचे हुए हैं, कश्मीर में हिंदू केवल 2% बचे हुए हैं, नागालैंड में हिंदू केवल 8% बचे हुए हैं, मेघालय में हिंदू केवल 11% बचे हुए हैं, अरुणाचल में केवल 29% बचे हुए हैं, मणिपुर में केवल 41% बचे हुए हैं. तो सनातन धर्म जो पहले दुनिया में था, पूरी दुनिया से खत्म हुआ, भारत के 9 राज्यों से खत्म हुआ. अगर अभी भी ये जो धोखे से, लालच दे के, हॉस्पिटल का लालच दे के, एडमिशन कराने का लालच दे के, घुटना ठीक करने का बात कह के, कैंसर ठीक करने की बात, जो दुनिया भर की बातें चल रही हैं, आप हो क्या रहा है कि इस समय पोप खुद व्हील चेयर पे चलते हैं, लेकिन पोप के चेले जो इंडिया में बैठे हुए हैं वो घुटना ठीक करने कहते हैं, प्रेयर कर देंगे, घुटना ठीक हो जाएगा. ये चल रहा है इंडिया में. अगर इसको सेंटर नहीं रोकेगा तो कौन रोकेगा? प्रॉब्लम आर्टिकल 14 says equality before law, equal protection of law. We have protection from the conversion in the Ghaziabad, but we don't have a conversion in protection in the Delhi. Complete violation of Article 14. Article 14 कहता है अपराध समान हो तो दंड समान होना चाहिए, और अगर किसी एक सिटीजन को प्रोटेक्शन है तो सबको मिलना चाहिए. अब आप गाजियाबाद में कन्वर्ट करेंगे तो आप ये ऑफेंस हो गया, लेकिन आप रोड क्रॉस करके आनंद विहार में दिल्ली में एंटर कर जाइए तो ऑफेंस नहीं है. आप नोएडा में कन्वर्जन करते हैं तो ऑफेंस है, आप मयूर विहार दिल्ली में एंटर कर जाइए तो ऑफेंस नहीं है. हरियाणा गुरुग्राम में आप कन्वर्जन करते हैं तो ऑफेंस है, आप रोड क्रॉस करके दिल्ली इंदिरा गांधी एयरपोर्ट आ जाइए तो ऑफेंस नहीं है.
नहीं, आपको डर किस बात का है कन्वर्जन में? व्हाट आर यू स्कैर्ड ऑफ?
What are you asking, Vivek Srivastava? What are you even asking, Vivek Srivastava?
सुप्रीमेसी से बाहर निकलिए आप.
मिर्ची तो आप लोगों को लगी है.
पोस्ट कन्वर्जन का डर आपको नहीं है?
ब्राह्मणिकल सुप्रीमेसी से बाहर निकलिए.
वास्तव में सब अपने आप कन्वर्ट
आपने
Okay, one by one, let's have some order here, please. Now, okay, Ashwini ji, मैं आपके पास वापस आता हूँ. Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute. Sir, just gather your thoughts. I'm coming to you.
Yeah.
आ रहा हूं. Dr. Ranganathan, I want to bring you in.
No, I want to counter him right now.
आ रहा हूं सर, आ रहा हूं आपके पास. You note down your counter, sir. You note down your counter. I am coming to you.
अरे कब आओगे यार? वो आनंद तो इनके फेवर में बोलेगा, हमें काउंटर करने दीजिए आप.
तो फेवर में बोलने वालों को बंद कर दें सर.
हाँ, दो फेवर में क्यों बुलवा रहे हो? हमें इनको
हटा दें, इनको डॉक्टर रंगनाथन को हटा देते हैं, सारी प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व हो जाएगी.
The Muslims, the Parsis and the Christians. You never allowed the Muslims, the Parsis and Christians to come into the fold.
I'll tell you what the Supreme Court has said. No, you think this is some propaganda? Now, 1 minute. I'll tell you what the Supreme Court has said. This is the This is a 1977 case when the anti-conversion laws were brought in by the MP government. I have the order, sir, but I don't have the time to read it out to you. Vivek Srivastava, 1 minute, sir, calm down. Let me bring in Dr. Ranganathan. 1 minute. Dr. Ranganathan, this is not just denial. They have now ridiculed this issue to this extent that they are saying bhukmari khatam karo, koi forced conversion nahi hai.
Good evening, Pranesh. You know, it's very unusual today. Normally, my good comrade Vivek is rattled after I've had my 30 seconds. Today, he's rattled even before I've opened my mouth. Vivek, please have patience. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Thank you. Now, Pranesh, look, forced conversion or conversion by means of inducement, allure, monetary, social or health benefit, or through miracle cure inducement is clearly illegal and should be banned. The problem is not conversion or preaching. No sensible person can be against it. After all, religion is an idea, and a follower of any religion has every right to express that idea and try and convince people to come to his religion's fold. Just as Vivek has every right to preach communism and ask, those chosen handful to come to communist fold. Or just as I have every right to quote, unquote, preach science or atheism or Darwin's theory of evolution and try and convince people to leave religion and come into science's fold. So I can never be against conversion or proselytization. The issue is forced conversion. And unfortunately, there is a very thin line between ethical conversion and forced conversion. And the purveyors of religion snort it with gay abandon. We have seen how millions, Pranesh, of Sikhs have been converted in Punjab through those outlandish miracle cure rallies, where tens of thousands are attending it. The same is the case in Andhra Pradesh. The state is powerless to stop it. Number two, the issue is also not about people following different religions or one religion more than the other. As long as everyone loves and respects India and each other, why should it matter what religion one follows? Unfortunately, though, we live in a real world, Pranesh, and it does matter. We have seen this all too often when the newly converted become proverbially more Catholic than the Pope. They begin to espouse values that are not in consonance with Indian values of love and tolerance or over civilization for everyone and every religious belief. As soon as demography allows it, the balance tilts. We have seen this in the Kashmir Valley, haven't we? How ethnic cleansing of Hindus transpired, how cinema halls were banned, how women were targeted for what they wore, how homosexuals were persecuted, how Sharia was given prominence over the constitution. Number three, love jihad is a reality whether you like it or not. Look, impersonating someone else's religion for the purposes of entrapping a woman or coercing her to change her religion for the purposes of marriage or for living out a peaceful married life are criminal offenses. The means do not justify the end, where the end is an interfaith marriage, which by itself, of course, is a wonderful thing. Now, do these offenses happen? The answer is yes, by the hundreds. Swati Goel Sharma and Befitting Facts have been meticulously collating all these instances. Pranesh, just 30 seconds. In any case, why blame the BJP when it was originally the Kerala High Court that ordered the government to quote, frame laws against love jihad? Go outrage against the court. Go outrage against Mahatma Gandhi. Just 10 seconds, who said, if I have the power to legislate, I would stop all proselytizing. Or finally, go outrage against Ambedkar, who said, Dalits should not convert to Islam as it will denationalize them and the danger of Muslim domination will become real. So my dear comrade Vivek, go outrage against Ambedkar and Mahatma Gandhi. Jao, bahut time hai tumhare paas.
No, you are creating. Why do people in this country feel happy when a white man converts into ISKCON and adopts, Krishna?
Now you have 2 minutes.
Everybody becomes very happy.
Try and
rebut me. एक Krishna Ram का नाम लेता है, आप खुश हो जाते हैं सब. Okay, you have not Anand.
Did you even? Pradesh,
yeah, I'm rebutting you right now. I'm rebutting you right now.
Did you even hear me? Am I against conversion?
Listen to me now.
Am I against conversion?
I absolutely heard you. You are overhyping things which are of a very small degree. I mean, how long can a love jihad happen? How long can a fraud happen? How long can you fool
Sir,
people?
आपने सुना नहीं विवेक श्रीवास्तव? I don't think you heard what Dr. Ranganathan was trying to say.
It is not possible.
You did not hear him, sir, because had you heard him properly, he was not on conversion at all. He was only on forced conversion, forced conversion,
Exactly.
forced conversion, forced conversion. Sir, I've said it four times.
Sir, let me counter him. Let me counter him. The forced conversion through fraud, I don't understand. We are all educated people over here. How can a fraud happen if somebody converts
My God.
by showing
I
miracle
don't
healing?
believe this.
If it doesn't
Ganesh,
happen, I'm
you
bound
have
to go
to
back.
this is
it will not
unbelievable.
sustain. So all this is stupidity.
This is unbelievable.
Then if somebody marries somebody and changes the religion,
now please allow
how long
me.
will the marriage
Please,
last? It will not last.
Please.
So this conversion will also not last.
Okay.
So all
This is
fraud
shocking.
Now,
logic
let's
that
see
you're
whether
giving,
this
it
logic
doesn't
lasts
stand.
or not,
If
because
there-
I don't
there-
think this
there are
logic
some
will also
cases,
last
they are
more
very
than a
good
minute or
number.
two. No, this logic that you've come up with, sir, I don't think this will
Sir,
last.
Shankaracharya, why
Dr.
is the Shankaracharya of
Ranganathan
this nation not a Dalit?
coming in. Yes,
Why
quick
can't
comment,
the
quick
Shankaracharya-
comment, I'm
Now,
coming to
please,
you.
now, Vivek, I heard you.
Why can't we have a
Vivek,
Dalit
I gave you.
Shankaracharya? Why can't we have a
Vivek,
Sir, let him
Dalit-
respond now. Let's
Why
not
can't we
talk
have a
over
Dalit,
each other, please.
This
That
is
is the
unfair.
problem. And that is why conversions take place.
This is very
Or you're justifying conversion. Here you have someone justifying conversion on national TV. There you go, Dr. Ranganathan.
Now, as I said,
when you don't give equal status to all the caste,
How can I
Sir,
speak?
उनको बोलने तो दीजिए. Give him a chance to speak, sir.
Yes, as I said, I adore my comrade Vivek, but there is no cure for communism. It is a disease with no cure. The only solution is herd immunity. Now let me give a little bit of herd immunity to what Vivek is saying. Number one, I am absolutely shocked and astonished that Vivek is saying that there is no forced conversion happening. Is he for real? Has he even traveled to Punjab? Forget the interiors of Punjab, in the cities of Punjab. And you have Mr. Jindal here, you have the BJP spokesperson, and you have Mr. Hashmi there. Do you think they would disagree? There are conversions happening on this miracle cure. Have you not seen the videos?
No.
Have you not seen that?
If you don't give the Dalits the equal status,
this is very
if you don't give the Dalits the equal status, as the
Sir,
Brahmins
let's start
have,
by
sir,
giving panelists
conversions
the
will
equal
happen.
status.
The
Let him
problem
make
is in
his
our own
point.
religion, our own system.
1 minute, Mr. Srivastav. Let's start by giving panelists the equal
why
status.
doesn't he talk about the Dalit status?
Speak uninterrupted.
Why
He was
doesn't
not
say that the
speaking over you,
Dalits
please.
are not equal in this country?
I not only talked about the Dalit status, I talked about Ambedkar, the god of Dalits and our God. What did he say? Do not convert, he told Dalits, do not convert to Islam. Did you not hear that? But irrespective of that, I am not against anyone converting to any religion.
To Buddhism is good, converting to Islam is bad.
Vivek Srivastav, sir, I think you've got it mixed up here.
Converting to Islam is wrong.
Vivek Srivastav, I think you're confused, sir. You're totally confused. Take a deep breath.
It won't be for the first time.
समझ लीजिए थोड़ा. Let it sink in. I don't think. You're confused, sir. You're confused.
आप दलितों के खिलाफ
discrimination. This is not just about Dalits. But this is not just about Dalits. This is not just about conversion. This is about forced conversion, sir. पहले तो आप समझ तो लीजिए क्या है.
It is majorly about Dalits, sir. 90% of the Muslims of this country are not forced conversions. They were Dalits who converted.
First you were in denial. Now you are saying this is majorly. आप पहले सर मन बना लीजिए. Think of what you want to say. No, you are swinging both ways. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है, sir.
This is very hurtful. And I'll tell you, I'll just take 10 seconds why it is so hurtful, because Tipu Sultan's own manifesto, in his own words, he said, convert even dead Hindus of Coorg. You should be ashamed. Today, you should be ashamed for saying that Hindus were never converted by force. Tipu Sultan even converted the dead Hindus of Coorg.
Please refrain yourself from making these kinds of statements.
What is nonsensical?
You don't know anything about history, about Tipu Sultan.
Are you disputing Tipu's own manifesto?
Okay. Do not hurt the Tipu sympathizer. No, 1 minute. Dr. Ranganathan. Do not hurt Tipu sympathizers.
गणेश, एक मैंने आपको पिटीशन कॉपी है, उसका जरा पेज नंबर 21 आप चेक कराइए. मैंने अभी जस्ट शेयर किया आपके ऑफिस में.
पेज नंबर 21 है सर, मेरे पास है, मैं पढ़ देता हूं इसमें. पेज नंबर 21.
आप ये देखिए, मैं बता रहा हूं. आप ये देखिए कि 6वीं शताब्दी में इस्लाम आया है और 7वीं शताब्दी से भारत की पॉपुलेशन कैसे कम हुई है. 7वीं शताब्दी में 40 करोड़, 8वीं शताब्दी में 39 करोड़, 9वीं शताब्दी में 38 करोड़, 10वीं शताब्दी में 36 करोड़. गजनी क्या आते 36, 11वीं शताब्दी में 33 करोड़, 12वीं शताब्दी में 28 करोड़.
आप वो फिगर पढ़ रहे हैं. लोकेश जिंदल को हंसी आ रही है. लोकेश जिंदल, व्हाट्स सो फनी अबाउट दिस?
And no, just you Google the demography of India. You Google the demography of India, you will find this data.
ये लीजिए मिस्टर हाशमी, this is from Tipu's own manifesto.
Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay.
Next time,
please
don't tell me.
Arrested in August 2021 by Delhi police.
Because you would have to apologize then, Mr. Hashmi. This is directly from
my turn.
He's got the point, Dr. Ranganathan. He's got the point. He's got the point.
I hope
yes.
you got the point, and please apologize now, because this is from the manifesto of Tipu Sultan.
1 minute. Lokesh Jindal, 1 minute.
This is from the manifesto of Tipu Sultan. Even dead Hindus of Coorg were converted.
Okay, we'll keep this for some other time. We'll keep the Tipu manifesto for some other time. Let me, yes, Mr. Jindal, what's so funny about it? Ehtesham Hashmi, 1 minute. Ehtesham Hashmi, रुक जाइए सर, आ रहा हूँ, आपके पास भी आ रहा हूँ. 1 minute. Mr. Jindal, quickly.
I'm waiting since last 15 minutes. You don't have time for me.
Ashwini Kumar Upadhyay, he is the executioner of a BJP toolkit. In April 2021, when there were elections in West Bengal, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, he had filed a similar petition. And at that point of time, Justice Nariman came heavily upon you. Didn't he? Didn't Justice Nariman say that next time if you come up with such form of frivolous petition, the bench is going to penalize you heavily? In August 2021, you will speak when your time will come. You will speak when your time will come. I'm not used to listening to this nonsense. You will speak when your time will come.
No, let him speak. Ashwini ji, उनको बोलने दीजिए. वो बोलने दीजिए उनको. I'll give you a chance to respond.
In August 2021,
वो बोल रहे हैं कि फ्रिवलस पिटीशन फाइल किया आपने. वो कह रहे हैं कि आपकी जो पिटीशन है वो फ्रिवलस है. और इस फ्रिवलस पिटीशन पे सेंटर ये कह रहा है कि ये एक सीरियस इशू है. That is what Lokesh Jindal is saying.
In August 2021, this person was arrested because of raising anti-Muslim slogans in Jantar Mantar. And right now, again, he was again in Delhi High Court that his petition was rubbish aside. And now again, the moment elections come up, this particular person who wants to somehow get into some form of a political identity or political name came up with again this petition, and thanks, because you know MR Shah is there as the judge.
Ehtesham Hashmi, do you think this is time to elections?
Has been set for this nonsense.
Ehtesham Hashmi,
just 1 minute.
Yeah, Mr. Hashmi, do you agree with what Lokesh Jindal is saying? Ashwini ji, 1 minute. Mr. Hashmi, do you agree with what Lokesh Jindal is saying, that this is the time to elections?
Listen, I'll not go into the political debate, but as far as data is concerned, in reality, the bogey of mass conversion is indicative of collective frustration.
मैस कन्वर्जन नहीं है सर, फिर डॉक्टर रंगनाथन अब गुस्सा हो जाएंगे. मैस कन्वर्जन नहीं है, फोर्स कन्वर्जन है. आप मैस कन्वर्जन कीजिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है.
Please, then I can't participate in this kind of debate. Don't try to be unfair to me. What Ashwini Upadhyay said, that population is decreasing day by day. आप पार्लियामेंट में देखिए, आप राज्यसभा में देखिए, आप पुलिस डिपार्टमेंट में देखिए कि किसकी पॉपुलेशन बढ़ रही है. ये ब्राह्मण लॉबी चाहती है कि दलित, क्रिश्चियन, मुस्लिम और आदिवासी हमेशा इनके चरणों में पड़े रहें. ये कभी नहीं चाहेंगे कि एक क्रिश्चियन, एक मुस्लिम यहाँ का देश का प्रधानमंत्री बने. इतनी ज्यादा आपको चिंता है कि पॉपुलेशन हिंदू भाई बहनों की कम हो रही है, और पार्लियामेंट की बात क्यों नहीं करते आप ब्राह्मण लॉबी.
अरे डिसीटफुल कन्वर्जन है कि नहीं, बाकी जोड़ दो.
क्रिश्चियन, ब्राह्मण,
पहले ये बताओ डिसीटफुल कन्वर्जन है कि नहीं है. इस देश में धोखे से कन्वर्जन हो रहा है कि नहीं हो रहा है?
कन्वर्जन होना कोई ऑफेंस नहीं है.
सर, धोखे से टीआईएल फाइल हो रहा है.
आपने त्यागी को कन्वर्ट कराया ना क्या धर्म से हिंदू धर्म में, वो ऑफेंस था क्या?
Mr. Hashmi, 1 minute. Gentlemen, please, let's not trivialize this, please. We are discussing something. 1 minute, gentlemen, let's not talk over each other, please. Let's have some order going, please. I'll tell you what the Supreme Court said. At the cost of repeating, the court said that this is a national security issue. And we are all...
Let me remind you, Pramesh, just 1 second. Pramesh, just 1 second. Don't try to misquote Supreme Court. Don't try to misquote Supreme Court. I am reading the...
No, Supreme Court has said say. Supreme Court ने बोला क्या बात कर रहा है? Supreme Court ने आज भी बोला it's a very serious matter. Supreme Court ने आज बोला बहुत serious matter है.
Please don't misquote Supreme Court. I
However, misquoted the Supreme Court, Mr. Hashmi. या तो आपको समझ नहीं आए, या तो आपने सुना नहीं.
Very good friend of mine. I am reminding you. I am giving warning to you. Don't try to misquote Supreme Court.
Warning.
Please read order passed by Honorable Supreme Court.
What is the warning?
I thank you to the court. This is
What
my
is
warning.
this attitude of warning, sir?
Don't try to mislead
ये
me.
मिर्ची लगी है
What is this?
इनकी
First of all, you lie.
इनकी बौखलाहट
Then you are burning the anchor.
Mr. Hashmi,
And you're abusing everyone else.
इनकी बौखलाहट से पता चल रहा है इनकी दुकानें बंद होने वाली है
अरे दुकान को मुझे लगा बीजेपी की सरकार की छत पे
कन्वर्जन बंद हो जाएगा तो इनकी फंडिंग कन्वर्जन होता
हमारे जैसे लोगों को जितने बैठे डॉक्टर रंगनाथन और उनको मैं नौकरी पे रख सकता हूँ
Mr. Hashmi, 1 minute. There is no place for propaganda here, please. What have I misquoted? What have I misquoted? Mr. Hashmi, what have I misquoted? 1 minute, 1 minute. Mr. Hashmi,
Totally unacceptable.
Mr. Hashmi, ये क्या warning दे रहे हैं, धमकी दे रहे हैं, अब आप कुछ और बोल देंगे. What have I misquoted? What did I say?
You misquoted Supreme Court. I am reading the statement issued by Supreme Court. Please listen to me carefully. Ashwini Upadhyay is very good friend of mine. I respect Dr. Ranganathan as well. But don't try to misquote Supreme Court. What Supreme Court has said, forced religious conversion, if found to be true, may affect national security. If found to
Of
be
course.
true,
Only if it is true will it affect national security. What's wrong? What did I say? Mr. Hashmi, Mr. Hashmi, क्या हो गया आपको सर? You are a seasoned lawyer. How are you behaving like this? And you are warning me?
Yes, I am giving you a legal warning. I direct to you the Supreme Court.
Dr. Ranganathan, I quoted the Supreme Court. He is giving me a warning. Dr. Ranganathan.
With due respect to Mr. Hashmi.
Credential as a journalist.
No, 1 second. Pranesh quoted verbatim from the Supreme Court and Pranesh said exactly.
No, don't. Please read the order of Supreme Court. Please read the order of Supreme Court. Mr. Dr.
You tell me what was it wrong? What was wrong that Pranesh said?
Don't try to behave like a gully boy. Don't try to behave like an uneducated man.
What kind of language?
Listen, Mr. Hashmi, if you are too educated for this panel, you can walk off. If you think you are too educated for this panel, you can walk off. कोई जबरदस्ती नहीं है.
1 second.
See,
you know,
wisdom prevails over education. Wisdom, sanity, equality, justice prevails over
Dr.
education.
Ranganathan, I can't understand what he's saying.
Unacceptable.
No, exactly what Rahul. I completely agree with Rahul. The words of Mr. Hashmi have to be taken back against you, Pranesh. You quoted the Supreme Court. Otherwise, Mr. Hashmi, please explain how was how did Pranesh misquote Supreme Court? Please say it. Tell us.
What Supreme Court has said, if these allegations found to be true, then it may affect national security. If found to be true, it has not been decided whether allegations are true or false. This petition is still pending before Honorable Supreme Let me needs to be adjudicated by honorable judges, not by you and me.
Why are you closing your eyes towards
Mr. Hashmi, either you run out of 1 minute. I think Mr. Hashmi has run out of arguments. The best way is to attack the anchor. धमकी दे दो. I am giving you a warning. नहीं धमकी दे दो सीधा. I am giving you a warning. And you are misquoting what I said. I am not misquoting the Supreme Court.
Correct.
And now he is disconnected. You see, Hashmi, Ehtesham Hashmi has now run away.
Yeah, Praneshi, let me quote an example we all can agree. Praneshi,
make your point, yes.
Let me quote an example we all can agree. Swayam Mahatma Gandhi ka beta, Mahatma Gandhi's son Harilal Gandhi was subjected to forced conversion. Remember, the father of the nation, the greatest secular pluralist icon, Mahatma Gandhi's son has been subjected to forceful conversion. He was made Abdullah Gandhi and later he came back. And Mahatma Gandhi, in a letter which is published by Times of India, rightly pointed out he has gone for things other than his spiritual endeavor or his spiritual quest. There is the curse of forceful conversion for centuries altogether. Why should we close our eyes towards it? There has been such conversionism happening in India for a long time. Yes, there are many nuances we need to deal. There are many nuances we need to attack.
You can't have moral policing all around, Rahul.
Even from Mahatma Gandhi's
Rahul, you cannot have moral policing all around.
Let me have
it is a very personal affair.
विवेक श्रीवास्तव, आप उनको बोलने दीजिए. डॉक्टर रंगनाथन को भी नहीं बोलने दिया आपने. आप विवेक श्रीवास्तव.
You had your say, right?
भाई मैं तो बड़े देर के बाद आया हूं.
Anti-forced conversion law.
conversion may be a choice. But forced conversion. Sir, let me at least complete my point, please. I can also raise voice like this.
Okay, let him complete. Let him complete his point. Okay. 30 seconds, Rahul. You should make your point. Yes.
Conversion may be a personal choice, but forced conversion is against the spirit of.
But I want to underline the point once again. We are not on conversion at all. Dr. Ranganathan made it clear at the beginning. We are not on conversion. Why do we keep bringing it up? We are not on conversion. Gentlemen, please.
They are purposefully confusing it with conversion.
Okay, 10 seconds. 10 seconds.
10 seconds. The thing is, just
I don't understand forced conversion.
अच्छा 10 सेकंड उनको बोलने दीजिए. हाशमी जी आ गए, देखिए. He's a large-hearted guy. वापस आ गए वो.
Run back to the parent religion.
After warning me, he's back.
अभी दूध का दूध. See that my problem is that I know the
Ranganathan was given or what Rahul is giving. I don't understand.
Allow him 10 seconds, sir. He wants to make a point. Mr. Srivastava, I am coming to you.
Go back.
Can I come in, please?
Please.
Ganesh, can I come in?
Can I? No, Lokesh, please. I've been waiting for a very long time, and every word I utter out, and my
long time.
My good problem is Vivek interrupts me, yaar. Even my wife doesn't interrupt me so much. Vivek, please. 10 सेकंड तो बोलने दो.
नहीं मैंने कहा
अभी दूध का दूध पानी का पानी करता हूँ. Pranesh, can I please?
आप बता दीजिए सर.
Please make your point, Dr. Ranganathan. 1 minute. Lokesh Jindal coming to you after Dr. Ranganathan. Yes.
Are you in favor of a?
Yes, Dr. Vivek Srivastava. Let him make a point, sir.
I can't.
Let Anand say a yes or a no.
Now, listen.
I just want a yes or a no.
But sir, he asked you a yes or no question in the beginning. You had no answer. ऐसे नहीं होता ना. Vivek Srivastava, let him make a point. Let's extend the 10 second courtesy.
इतना तो स्टालिन और खुश्चेव को भी किसी ने इंटरप्ट नहीं करना. Now please, now 1 second. Pranesh, this is very unfair, because I did not interrupt him. He took my time.
I'll have to lower your fader, sir. Please, I will have to lower your fader, Vivek Srivastava. Let Dr. Ranganathan make his point.
Yes. और इसमें भले ही माय गुड फ्रेंड मिस्टर हाशमी जी और लोकेश जी मेरे अगेंस्ट हों, लेकिन इस पॉइंट पे वो मेरे साथ होंगे, क्योंकि अभी दूध का दूध पानी का पानी करता हूं. Is this communist Vivek Srivastava against or for China interning 1.5 million Muslims in concentration camps and forcefully converting them away from Islam? Yes or no? Hashmi ji, आप पूछिए इनसे. विवेक से पूछिए. कंडेम करते नहीं.
I'm not advocating Hindu rights, Muslim rights or Dalit rights. I am true nationalist. I am concerned about my Indian brothers and sisters. You cowards like you only protect a particular community.
Every 5 seconds somebody is interrupting.
Or argue for a particular.
It is like I have turned.
No, Mr. Hashmi. First of all, sir, please. Let's not get personal. The kind of words that you're using tonight, it's not good, sir. Mr. Hashmi.
Hashmi ji को कल से हाशमी जी को कल से टीवी पे नहीं आना चाहिए, क्योंकि ही इज लूजिंग हिज क्लाइंट्स. ये क्लाइंट्स इनको सुन रहे हैं, कह रहे हैं माय लॉर्ड मैं खुद लड़ लूंगा केस. मुझे ये हाशमी जी लॉयर नहीं चाहिए, मैं खुद लड़ लूंगा. मुझे ये नहीं चाहिए.
अरे मिस्टर हाशमी, उनको बोलने तो दीजिए सर. क्या कर रहे हैं आप? प्लीज
दो. मैं ना मतलब प्लीज प्रणेश प्लीज he is abusing.
Sir, please थोड़ा बोलने दीजिए. मैं आ रहा हूँ. I'll get a response. I'm coming to you and then Vivek Srivastava. Let him speak uninterrupted for 30 seconds.
Yes, as I was saying, Pranesh, now it is up to you, an excellent anchor, to ask point blank Vivek Srivastava, does he condemn interning of 1.5 million Muslims in concentration camps by China? Yes or no? Ask him point blank. अभी दूध का दूध पानी का पानी होता है.
He is ready to answer. He has his hand up.
Point blank.
Answer yes or no. Do you condemn China?
Point blank बोलूंगा. आपकी तरह डिप्लोमेटिक नहीं हूं मैं. नहीं आपकी तरह डिप्लोमेटिक नहीं हूं. You are a victim of American propaganda. Nobody is being converted. There is no concentration camp.
There you go. There is no concentration camp.
No, I am saying a no. If there is a concentration camp, I am against it.
There is no concentration camp.
But there is no concentration camp.
India में forced conversion RSS BJP propaganda है.
Are you in favor of a Dalit?
नहीं RSS. एक मिनट. Vivek Srivastava in India forced conversion. 1 minute. Vivek Srivastava. But he's exposed you in one question, Vivek Srivastava.
He has wiped away the facts that even China agrees.
He has not answered
the documents of Xi Jinping say be ruthless.
Now let me take that question to Mr. Hashmi. Mr. Hashmi, चाइना में जो विगर मुस्लिम्स के साथ हो रहा है वो प्रोपेगेंडा है कि सही में हो रहा है?
Of India and put forward your argument.
वो अमेरिकन प्रोपेगेंडा है।
नहीं, मिस्टर हाशमी को तो जवाब देने दीजिए।
Yes, now let me make my point. The stark reality, however, is that Christianity in India is no way poses a threat to the.
अरे आप लिख के आए, एक मिनट, you prepared a brief. सुनिए, I asked you a question, sir, उस पे आएंगे। I asked you a question. चाइना में जो वीगर मुस्लिम्स के साथ हो रहा है वो हो रहा है कि ये मनगढ़ंत प्रोपेगेंडा है, जैसे विवेक श्रीवास्तव
आप इंडिया की बात करके ना,
रमेश, जो हिंदुस्तान में क्रिश्चियन के साथ हो रहा है और जो हिंदुस्तान के साथ हो रहा है,
he won't even support his fellow Muslims.
उनके बारे में
मुस्लिम देखे आपने, ये कैसे मुस्लिम है? ये कैसे मुस्लिम है जो कि अपने फेलो मुस्लिम्स के लिए खड़े नहीं हो रहे?
Today debate is forceful conversion in India. We are not debating China. What is happening in China?
Can you imagine, Pranesh? He is not supporting his fellow Muslims. This
oh my God!
No, I think even if he wants to, he is not prepared. I think even if he wants to, he is not prepared.
I should join the Ummah. I should join the Ummah, and
okay.
Hashmi should be evicted from the Ummah.
Let's come back to the forced conversion here. Lokesh Jindal, do you really believe this is to do with elections? I mean, after all of this.
Pradesh, there is a saying, muddy the water to make it seem deep.
The Supreme Court, you're saying, is muddying the water?
Mr. Upadhyay is more of a executioner to this particular form, because time and again he has filed his popularity interest litigation, once in the Supreme Court, then in the High Court, then again he comes in the Supreme Court. And thanks to Mr. Ahmad Shah, that again it is taken for it has been considered.
There you go. You're then questioning the now wisdom of the courts.
Wow.
But Mr. Hashmi kuch nahi bolenge. I was quoting the Supreme Court. He started warning me. Here you are questioning the wisdom of the court and the judge. But Mr. Hashmi is all. No. Mr. Hashmi does not know what to say.
He is demonizing a sitting judge.
Three judges.
Amazing. Pranesh, जैसे विवेक अग्निहोत्री ने कहा था, गवर्नमेंट हमारी है लेकिन सिस्टम तो उनका है.
He was criticized. He was warned against filing such form of frivolous forms of PIL.
But what stops the Supreme Court from throwing out the petition, Mr. Jindal? That's as simple as that. If the petition is frivolous, like you are saying, it is not public interest, popularity interest or political interest, the SC will say, हो गया, dismissed. और ज्यादा गुस्सा आ गया तो they will also impose a cost on Mr. Upadhyay.
Bengal elections are there.
देखिए प्रणेश, ये टीवी पे
in Gujarat now again.
Okay, Mr. Upadhyay, Ashwini ji,
everything.
अरे सुन तो लो भैया, सुन तो लो, सुन लो. हाँ, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने आज जब सेंटर का एफिडेविट देखा तो उन्होंने कहा कि आप इस पे डिटेल एफिडेविट फाइल करिए, स्टेट के साथ बात करिए, कहां कन्वर्जन हो रहा है, पूरा डेटा लेके आइए. तो सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने पिछली बार कहा था ये नेशनल सिक्योरिटी बन सकता है, और सेंटर का एफिडेविट जब आज आया, सेंटर ने बोला वी आर सीरियसली कंसीडरिंग द प्रेयर्स, तब सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने बोला.
अब एहतशाम हाशमी वापस आ गए. बन सकता है का क्या मतलब होता है,
फिर सुनेंगे.
अब ये कौन बताएगा बन सकता है का क्या मतलब होता है? डॉक्टर रंगनाथन, डू यू वांट टू ट्राई अगेन?
Oh my God!
Honestly, I have completely given up, and I have been so disappointed with Mr. Hashmi. Now, Hashmi sir, please. This is very unfair, you know.
जो रंगनाथन जी के लिए शायद वो बाकी फेलो इंडियंस के लिए होते तो आप उनको भी सुनते.
बाकी सर धमका नहीं रहे ना, बाकी धमका नहीं रहे. हाशमी साहब वो बोल रहे हैं कि आई एम वार्निंग.
आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टीच यू सम लीगल
एथिक्स एज अ ब्रदर. ये सब नहीं तो आप मुझसे इतना हेट क्यों करते हैं हाशमी जी? मैं तो आपको अपना भाई मानता हूं.
फोर्सफुल कन्वर्सन,
मैं तो आपको अपना भाई मानता हूं.
मैं तो आप मेरे भाई हैं, पर मेरा भाई बिल्कुल रास्ते पे जाएगा तो मैं उसे डांट के वापस सही रास्ते पे.
बिल्कुल डांटिए, बिल्कुल आपका हक है, आप मुझे डांटे, लेकिन अगर आप हमारे फेलो मुस्लिम्स के लिए साइलेंट रहे, हमारे फेलो मुस्लिम्स जो चाइना में साइलेंट रहे, 1.5 मिलियन मुस्लिम्स, तो मैं भी, मेरा भी हक है आप मेरे
What about Indian Muslims, Indian Dalit,
इंडियन क्रिश्चियंस पे क्यों आ रहे हैं? चाइना की बात करिए।
Have you seen the report issued by the government of India on Christians who are residing in India?
भूलिए,
आप इंडिया में
मत भूलिए।
ना,
आप पैलेस्टीनियंस के लिए लड़ते हैं, रोहिंग्यास के लिए लड़ते हैं, तो फिर उइगर मुस्लिम्स के लिए इतना चुप क्यों है?
I always
इतना काम कर रहे हैं चाइना से
for humanity, humanity, justice, equity and
पैलेस्टीनियंस के लिए बोला,
I don't work
पैलेस्टीनियन के लिए बोला
religion or their ethnic veracity.
तो सर तो फिर बता दीजिए कश्मीर में ओके लेट मी आस्क यू अ डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन हाशमी साहब इन ऑल सीरियसनेस अलाउ मी टू आस्क यू अ क्वेश्चन
यस प्लीज
आपने बोला कि आपको एथनिसिटी से कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है रिलीजन देख के आप राइट्स की बात नहीं करते हैं कश्मीर में जो हुआ अब जो कुछ लोग अभी दी ऑपोजिशन वुड हैव अस बिलीव दैट ऑल दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ पॉवर्टी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट इसीलिए कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं लोग कश्मीर में हुआ वो क्या खाने की वजह से लड़ाई हुई थी वर दे फाइटिंग फॉर बिरयानी
कश्मीर में जो लड़ाई हो रही है वो हो रही है बीजेपी की खराब पॉलिसीज की वजह से और जितने भी लोग क्रिश्चियनिटी में कन्वर्ट कर रहे हैं विलफुली
अरे मैं हिंदू जेनोसाइड की बात कर रहा हूँ हाशमी साहब आप फिर नहीं समझे अब आप फिर गुस्सा हो जाएंगे आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द जेनोसाइड ऑफ हिंदूज कश्मीरी हिंदूज
क्यों नहीं मना रहे आपको मुसलमानों गृह मंत्री बना दीजिए क्यों नहीं मना रहे
अरे सवाल तो I'll tell you what the problem today with Ehtesham Hashmi is that he's come up he's come prepared with answers he thought these questions will be asked वो क्वेश्चन पेपर बदल दिया मैंने डॉक्टर रंगनाथन ने भी उसमें और 2-3 क्वेश्चन ऐड कर दिए अब वो मैच द फॉलोइंग कर नहीं पा रहे बट सर आपने बीगर मुस्लिम्स पे नहीं बोला आप कश्मीर में जो हिंदू जेनोसाइड हुआ था वो हुआ था कि नहीं ये बता दीजिए डिड दैट हैपन और नॉट फोर्स्ड कन्वर्जन आप बोल रहे हैं कुछ नहीं है हिंदू जेनोसाइड हुआ था नहीं हुआ था
मुस्लिम जेनोसाइड हिंदू जेनोसाइड आप जेनोसाइड को भी बांटना चाहते हैं क्या बताइए चलिए लेट्स डिबेट ऑन हिंदू जेनोसाइड मुस्लिम जेनोसाइड दलित जेनोसाइड
there are some realities we need to talk about we cannot brush things under the carpet
you want me to segregate genocide on the basis of religion
there are some realities we need to talk about we all respect our Muslim brothers and Christian brothers but post conversion during some sections of peace by
are you the only one no Mr. Hashmi सिर्फ आप ही ने कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन पढ़ा है क्या
preamble doesn't talk about segregation of religion that we should talk about Hindu genocide we should talk about Muslim genocide
forget all of that Mr. Hashmi I am asking you to take a stand based on principle is that too difficult for you
condemn any kind of genocide whether it's a Muslim genocide it's a Hindu genocide it's a Dalit genocide
मेरे बड़े भाई 10 सेकंड प्रणेश 10 सेकंड you know
Mr. Upadhyay is enjoying
give him 10 seconds give him 10 seconds he loves you so much and you love him so much please give him 10 seconds
you don't love Dr. Ranganathan अभी तो आपने बोला आप भी प्यार करते
हैं I love him more than he loves me but मुझे 10 सेकंड दीजिए मैंने actually metaphorically speaking
I love my all fellow Indians I love my brothers and sisters
एक सेकंड हाशमी साहब एक सेकंड हालांकि मैंने आई ड्रोव द लास्ट नेल प्रोबेबली इन विवेक्स कॉफिन लेकिन ढक्कन थोड़ा सा खुला सा रह गया था लेट मी सील इट कंप्लीटली एक सेकंड
डोंट टॉक अबाउट
वी वर टॉकिंग ऑफ हाशमी साहब ये बहुत गलत बात है देखिए एक मिनट देखिए वो ढक्कन थोड़ा सा खुला रह गया था विवेक जस्ट आंसर मी डिड द मारी झापी मैसेकर ऑफ 10,000 दलित्स बाय द कम्युनिस्ट टेक प्लेस और नॉट यस और नो और इज दैट आल्सो अ प्रोपेगेंडा डिड द मारी झापी मैसेकर ऑफ
जेनोसाइड किया था उसके बारे में
no I'll tell you what's your problem I'm answering let me answer please let me answer Dr. Anand Ranganathan you have started believing in moral policing you want to decide which religion will marry which religion which caste will marry which caste which boyfriend should have which girlfriend
क्या बोल रहे हैं सर
you have started believing in moral policing and you want the state to control the personal life of people
what are you saying
and that is what I'm against I'm progressive you are regressive
इतनी घबराहट क्यों है
you are regressive
I am regressive
घबराहट क्यों है
and you are trivializing the issue
we believe a woman has a right
विवेक श्रीवास्तव बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड में कहाँ गया
क्यों है यही तो मैं बार-बार पूछ रहा हूं
whatever be the caste whatever be the religion
now Pranesh I asked him 2 questions
Ranganathan,
and in both he has failed like communists failed their exams.
She should get married.
I asked him, are Uyghur Muslims being persecuted by China? He said no. I asked him, did the Dalit Marijap massacre take place?
The water has been muddied.
हिस्ट्री को अब ये हिस्ट्री को नेगेट कर दे प्रोपेगेंडा कह के
Are you against intercaste marriages? No, why are you against intercaste marriages?
क्या सवाल क्या है? Who's against intercaste marriages? Who's saying that?
Why are you regressive?
Dr. Anand Ranganathan, you have nothing.
Dr. Anand Ranganathan is against.
Okay, Lokesh Jindal, 20 seconds. Lokesh Jindal wants to say something. Okay, gentlemen, 1 minute. Lokesh Jindal, quickly, yes.
See, what I'm saying is the water has already been muddied, and it's a very, very shallow, and I would say it's a very, very narrow form of a issue topic that BJP has resorted to gain some form of political advantage.
And what about what about the observations of the Supreme Court?
You are way more wiser than whatever these political gimmicks and all these political planners they think about. Now the people must act in their wisdom and capacity and not fall prey to all their forms of gimmicks and all forms of.
Okay, our hashtag is end forced conversion. Maybe we should begin to say that let's first end the denial on forced conversion. Okay, we've run out of time. Breaking inputs coming in, gentlemen. Thanks for joining us, Dr.